With over 40 years of experience, Sedatelec provides cutting-edge equipment that is designed and manufactured in France to assist the development of complementary medicine worldwide. This is the Premio 32 EVO Laser, a cold laser for local, painless and reflex stimulation, for use in acupuncture and trigger points. The device operates with a rechargeable battery that can last for 6 hours in continuous emission. It is delivered in a carry case with a laser emission tester, a power-reducing nozzle, protective goggles, a European, UK or US wall charger, and a user manual. This soft laser has several features. Infrared laser emission at a wavelength of 905 nanometers, ensuring a safe and deep penetration of the stimulation, without being absorbed by the water, the hemoglobin or the melanin. The short superpulsed pulses impart 5 joules of energy per minute for 100 watt of power. Short power emission pulses of 80 nanoseconds to avoid any heating. Make sure the key is properly inserted. To turn the device on, press the on-off button. The orange LED indicates the charge level. If the orange indicator light is steady, it is fully charged. When the light is blinking slowly, it is half full. When the light is blinking quickly, it is unloaded. When handling the laser at less than 75 centimeters from the eyes, the patient must wear protective goggles. For local use, select the suited program by pressing the arrow key, Antal, to reduce the chronic or sharp pain, Rejan, to accelerate tissue reconstruction, healing and regeneration processes, and reduce inflammation, Relax, to relax muscular tension and contractions, Nogia frequency scanning, for a universal program. Position the device perpendicular to clean and healthy skin, or at 1 centimeter from a wound. The work on the area is either done at the joint, on the trigger points, on the musculotendinous junction, or in a grid pattern on a wound. Press the light button to start the laser emission. A white targeting light appears. A click and an orange LED will both confirm the laser is emitting. There is a beep every 30 seconds, corresponding to 2.5 joules energy delivery. Apply for 30 seconds to 1 minute per area of approximately 1 square centimeter. The laser turns off after 5 minutes. Depending on the points to be stimulated, you can add the power-reducing nozzle. You can also work with each frequency individually, by clicking on the on-off button. For auriculotherapy, apply to clean and healthy skin, for 15 to 30 seconds per point. You can check the laser emission at any time. To do so, remove the laser key, insert the laser test plug in the device, connect the laser key to the laser test. Press the on-off button, then the emission button. You will hear a continuous clicking sound. Apply the laser beam to the laser test cell. The beep changes according to the frequencies, and thus indicates that your device can be used. To turn the device off, press the on-off button for 2 seconds. It automatically switches off after 2 minutes without use. To charge your device, remove the laser key. Insert the charger plug in the device, and plug the charger into the power socket. Allow approximately 3 hours to completely charge the unit. The device cannot be used while it is charging. The Premio 32 EVO Laser is a user-friendly device that is easy to handle and ready for use instantaneously. It provides a fast therapeutic action, delivering 2.5 joules every 30 seconds with its superpulsed emission. It is also a painless biostimulation device that is ideal for sport medicine and physiotherapy. For more information, please visit www.sedatelec.com.